Good evening, welcome to the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. Yesterday, US President Donald Trump has lobbed a financial grenade on H-1B visa program, slapping $1 lakh of annual fee on every application. For the 71% of those visa holders who are Indian, doctors, tech giants, engineers, it's not just policy, it's personal. It's like inviting someone to dinner, then charging them $1 lakh for this food. It's not just a policy shift, it's a seismic jolt to their American dreams. Let's unpack this plain and sharp because the details matters. So what's the H-1B? It's the golden key for skilled foreigners to work in the US. Indians dominate, holding over 70% of these visas, powering companies like Google, Amazon and TCS. Before this, companies paid about $5,000 total. Lottery, fee, petition, the works. Now, Trump's new rule, signed yesterday, demands $1 lakh per worker per year for up to 6 years. That's a 24 jump. Perks? Enough to buy a fancy car or deposit in Mumbai flat. Employers paid, but don't kid yourself. That cost will squeeze hirings, salaries and job offers. So the question is, why this move? The White House is claiming that it is to protect American workers, claiming that some firms use H-1Bs to hire foreigners at a cheaper rate. $60,000 salaries when locals get $1 lakh plus. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick says the tech bosses are thrilled. Yeah, thrilled. Like a patient thrilled before surgery without anesthesia. As the experts are already crying foul, saying this fee, way beyond processing cost, might not even be legal without Congress' note. And then there's cherry on top. $1 million gold card visa for the ultra-rich. Because nothing screams fairness like a VIP lane for billionaires. But here's the real sting. Indian workers are reeling. Online, you will find stories of families in Delhi and Chennai scrapping US travel plans, unsure if their visa dreams are worth this price tag. One Hyderabad coder posted, I was set to work in a startup in California. Now, I'm staying put. Companies like Infosys sponsoring thousands of H-1Bs could cut back hard, fewer applications, longer green card waits, already a ticket for some. The average H-1B salary is $1,18,000. Not bad. Until you factor in this fee is eating your life savings or your employer's budget. Analysts predict a 30 to 50% drop in applications, turning the visa lottery into a high roller's game. So the United States of America, the land of opportunity, now has a cover charge. And for the Indian talent, it's like being invited to a party, then being told to pay for the drinks, DJ and the doorman. But here's the plot twist. India's IT sector, worth $500 billion, might thank Trump for sending our brains home to build the next unicorn startup. And for the India-US ties, this could cool things faster than the Himalayan breeze. So keep your dreams affordable and keep watching the Central Post.